I'm Nick Haase, co-founder of MaintainX, and with me here we have...
I'm Travis Cox. I'm Chief Technology Evangelist at Inductive Automation.
Awesome. So Travis, tell us, what is Ignition? What is Inductive Automation?
So Inductive Automation is a software company.
Yeah.
That's all we do. We don't do hardware, we don't do implementation, we just focus on building the best industrial application platform on the market, and that is Ignition. That's our software platform. And it's a platform to build any kind of industrial application, to integrate with the plant floor, and integrate with the business systems, and to be able to provide operations, everything they need, and to have a foundation that we can build upon.
Beautiful. And who are the types of users who are the types of people inside of a manufacturing plant that would use Ignition? As the primary sort of owner of that system, and who gets excited about it?
Yeah, I mean, typically it falls into the operations side, right? So we're down there with the people that are running the machines, right? The people that have to interact with the HMIs on the plant floor. They interact with the SCADA systems that are trying to use that data to run their operations. And that's typically where a lot of these applications need to live. But that data, of course, is very valuable.
Right, and what happens, where do you see data how does it get stuck in these, where are you seeing this friction?
Yeah, even with all the advances of technology that we're at right now, there's still a lot of siloed systems, right? Especially if you look at operations, a lot of that data and those systems stay on that side. Yes. Doesn't cross over to the business, doesn't get into different workflows. Not everything's fully integrated the way that it should be.
Right. And that's part of why we're talking here today. So we're really excited. What excites you about the partnership opportunity here with MaintainX?
It's the ability to have more context to the right people, to get the data to move around the business, and to get the systems aligned, right? We want to get the business and the operations aligned in the right way. We talked about this OT-IT divide.
Right.
That needs to go away, right? Yes. And we need teams to be able to work together, and in order for that to be effective, you have to have tools that are integrating and working very closely together. And that's why it's really exciting for me, is now the operations side can get a lot more information about their assets and how they're performing and what the maintenance they're going to be doing on those to really get the full picture, but we don't want to replicate that down there. We want it just to be simply working together.
Love it, I'm excited. And what's looking forward, what excites you the most about sort of the future of this connected manufacturing ecosystem?
I mean, I love the advances that are there right now, because ultimately we can really get to a place where we're sharing data across the entire supply chain, right? Where we can actually, make this data more useful, more visible, and that's going to lead to a lot more taking advantage of AI and the tools that are out there, so that we can really get the most value and insights off of that data, and so that we can advance faster, right? So we can produce more and do more and innovate. That's where we want to go.
I love it. I'm excited. I'm on the same page.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Travis.
Yeah, thanks very much for having me.
Yeah.